Okay, this is an undermount slide. This is the right-hand side. So this is the right-hand side. So it's going to go back like that. So this is the right. This is what you put on the shelf. Notice it says R. R for right. Now we're going to flip it over. Okay. We're going to flip it over. And here's what we're going to do. This goes in here, but first we're going to take this, we're flipping it up like this, and we're going to go like this. I'm going to put this little tab like that. Okay, so see it? It's the tab. The tab goes in, over. It's in. Boom. You're done. Flip it back over. It's ready to install. And you put your drawer on top of this.